Welcome back to part 4 of this tutorial. In the previous tutorial we added inventory to our store. In this step, we will review how to add a customer. Select Customers on the left menu and hit Add New Customer. In the Add Customer form, fill in customer code, customer name, customer's phone number. Fill in contact person name if you have any. Next, enter business address information. This can also be the shipping address. The exact location will be shown in the adjacent Google map. If you have customer logo, upload it. Select payment preference, either cash or credit card. Finally, hit Save. Orderjini offers an intelligent address lookup, so most likely your customer's billing address should be there in the database. This completes part 4 of our Getting Started. Visit Orderjini.com to learn more about customer profile management.